see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ito na yung ating merienda para sa kids. Ito yung main. So, ayan na yung leche plan natin, guys. Oh. Dito na siya matutulog kasi si Tita Mel may work bukas. So, dito siya mag-sleep over. Ito yung dessert nila mamaya ulit. And ayan kayo dyan. So, ito na yung kanilang breakfast na imumukbang, guys. Meron tayo dito.
Hello!
Hunter. Nandito na sila. Ito yung ating mga magmumukbang. Magpipinsan si Hunter. Dito kasi nga, school holiday. So, ito yung kanilang imumukbang, yung breakfast mukbang. Meron tayong grapes. Si Kuya nag-special request, sunny side up egg. Ito si Sak request tsaka ni Hunter, itong scrambled egg. So, meron tayong, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo na transparent na
Mukbang.
daing. And then, meron tayong hotdog and yung tinapa na sa ibabaw. And si Kuya gusto niyo ng suka. And si Holly. And meron tayong grapes. Yes, it's mukbang. Okay.
Let's eat mukbang.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Papa Jesus, thank you for the food. Okay, attack. Don't forget to eat your rice. You can talk.
I can tap this.
It's alright. Is it good? Yummy fried rice? That's tinapa. Kuya. How's yours, Holly? Is it good? Eat rice, Papa.
I like egg.
I know you do, Papa. Si Kuya. Si Kuya, hindi na kailangan i-remind na kumain ng rice.
I eat rice. Okay.
Do the crunchy one, the tuyo.
What is it?
That one. This whole.
I like egg.
Nagugutom ako pero yung tira nila ang kakainin ko.
You like egg?
I do like eggs.
I like egg.
Do you like egg? Okay. No, you sit there.
And why are you just sitting there?
Because I'm filming you guys. What do you want, Han? Do you need anything, Han?
I need water.
Water, okay. Stay.
I would have. Have a nice place. cat, please.
Red cat.
Pink
Okay.
cat. Pink.
And it's got,
Red cat.
it leaves you with the green one. There's no green one. Oh. And where it? I don't have a plate. It's this. It's this. I don't want a plate. I'm just going to take from there. No. The best breakfast ever. When we were about to film, when we were about to eat, I thought it was lunchtime. How long will that take? An hour? Oh, how?
What color is yours?
Pink, 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 pink,
Pink.
The purple one.
Honors.
Red.
Red, blue.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yours have
Red.
red. Oh yeah.
What's in there?
That's the cordial.
Wait, it's for you?
No.
Here's the color.
Mama made it.
Okay, I put it here. Give me
I have already. What? Oh, egg. I'm trying to reach egg.
okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No, this is part one. If it's part one, let's pause.
Now, what does it taste like? Egg.
I don't know. You're the one eating the egg.
Smell.
I'm eating this one.
Is this crunchy?
That's all crunchy, Zach. Except the eggs and the hot dog.
And the grapes.
Mom, I like grapes.
I know. I gave you the other one, Han.
I don't know where the roller is.
Your full hand?
I'm on my phone.
Si Kuya kumakain ng maraming fried rice. You're full?
Mother, I'm not full.
Eat rice, Holly.
I'm eating. Mama wanted the big one.
Okay.
Jumps. I'll put it here.
Yes, you can.
Now, where you buy this?
Filipino store?
I like it first.
Good, Kuya?
It tastes like pink.
Try that one, Han. The fish. It's crunchy. Just a little bit. Ayaw niya talaga.
It's was this boy. What is this?
That's not pork.
What is it?
Daing.
Tuyo.
Okay, toyo. Sisak
Mom,
sinasawsaw
why
niya.
is that missing?
Sinasawsaw niya yung hotdog. Si Kuya, tingnan.
There's my egg. That's it. I taste good.
I want to flat my notes. No, I need a drink. Good.
What color is yours?
Purple.
Ah, yeah, purple.
I need a pink.
Yours is red.
I need a pink. Mine's pink. It's pink.
need bread too. Please.
I didn't need an egg. Just for a minute.
You're not eating rice, Holly. Eat rice. Si Kuya lang yung halos nakakarami ng rice.
It's yummy.
What's wrong, Han? You're done? Yeah, if you're done, you can go.
I need to
Yeah.
toilet.
You wanna go toilet? Okay. You're gonna come back? Ang natitira ay si Kuya tsaka si Holly. Si Sak, magto-toilet daw siya. Move there with Kuya, nak. Alright.
Yeah, that's the dye.
The guys can't see you. It's alright. You can move with Kuya.
Mom, this egg is dead. Yum.
I know. Eat rice, Papa. Okay. Nice, crunchy. Try the other one, Kuya.
I'll just sit here.
What are you doing, Dad?
Did you wash your hands? Ayan, Sak, bumalik. Ay, Kuya. Good job, Kuya.
That's my fourth plant.
Fourth. Pang-apat niya na daw yan, guys. Try that one, nak. The crunchy.
What?
That one, the daing.
That one?
Ang gusto talaga nilang, is yung regular tuyo at saka yung dilis. Oh, I see. It's crunchy.
Not the board.
Huh?
See, it's hard to buy.
Because it's crunchy.
Mom, my finger's hot.
Why?
Because, what's this?
Kasi maanghang na ko.
Dad.
Huh? Dad is in the office, Baba.
Huh?
Dad is doing something.
Dad, my finger's hot.
Kasi maanghang yung yung suka.
No, you say.
No, there's no seeds.
Look what?
It is sick, but you can't eat it.
Si Hunter nasa labas na. Tapos na siyang kumain.
Hotdog.
That little one, Kuya. It's crunchy. That little one. That one. In the middle.
I need
This one, the tuyo.
This one.
No, not that. That's the tinapa. The other one. But that's good. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like.
You like the tinapa? You're back? Okay. Ayan si Hunt. Balik siya.
What you still want?
Still eating.
Yeah, balik si
Yes,
Hunt.
we eating, Hunter.
Kuya Hunter.
We always
Hey,
have
Hunter.
Yeah, because Kuya Hunter is older than you.
Let's put it over there.
Yeah, Kuya TJ, Kuya Zachary, Kuya Hunter.
say Holly.
Ate. No, it's not. It's just Holly because Holly is the youngest.
Kuya means boy.
Kuya means boy and an older boy.
So you're eating my vase.
No, that's sharing.
That's forever.
Yeah.
This is little. You had this.
No, you didn't cut this one.
It's alright.
You didn't cut 4. That's not right.
Mag-over na ba ako na si Kuya sa grapes?
Wait, eating my other orange one.
No, that's for all of you, Baba.
Me and Hunter's are nearly finished.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot this.
Did you eat eggs, huh?
Who does that?
Finish it, huh?
I didn't my bake. It's so long.
It's alright, Baba. There's more there, Baba.
Oh, I need
Okay.
My drink, please.
What color is yours? Blue?
I need a rain, please.
Pink? Dito, ha?
I don't want to eat that again. Never.
Which one?
This one.
Why not? Why?
Because I need this one.
Ah, never. Pero yung eto daw, never. Never daw yung, pero yun, oo. Okay, sige.
Mama,
Huh?
we'll buy the slippers.
That's,
Two ways.
yeah. Kung ano nang tinatanong niya, saan ko daw binili yung
And
sleeper?
guys, look, watch this one.
They can't see you. Okay, eat there, eat.
It's good. Is that good or funky? This is good. It's like I'm really doggy. Mama, I need a big on this. I'll take it out here.
Wala tayong mangga. Masarap sana yung kung may
I'll take it
mangga.
out here.
It's up to you if you want to. Wala, sinawsaw na nila yung grapes. Si Jenna sa phone. Okay.
The grape and vinegar is sour.
It's sour.
This vinegar is sour.
Isn't it?
What is this something look?
Baba, eat there, Baba, please.
Mama bowl.
Alright.
Can I have the donkeys?
Yeah.
I'll say that was Hunter.
Yeah. Kuya Hunter.
Kuya Hunter.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say Kuya Hunter.
You're full? How about your egg, Kuya?
I'm full.
You're full? Alright. Tapos na sila, guys.
None.
And,
Bye, guys.
bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Ito yung natira, oh. Ang maraming nakain ay si Kuya. So, ayan. Ang kinuha niya lang is yung gilid, oh. Nag-focus kasi si Kuya sa rice. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Say,
I like this one.
you wanna eat that one? Okay.
No, everything.
You're done? Okay, say, see you guys. Thank you. Okay, say bye, guys. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't. See you on our next. Bye, guys. So, ayan. Tapos na sila magmukbang. Thank you, guys. Ba? Hindi pa yata siya. Tapos ako na ang kakain nito. Pag dito yung kuha ng camera, ang dami rin pala nilang nakain. Pero majority si Kuya talaga ang kumain ng kanin, yung fried rice. And ayan, ako na ang kakain. Manunod din ako na, ayan, the general's daughter habang kinakain tong tira nila. Kain tayo, guys. Ito na yung itsura ng budol breakfast dito, guys. And hindi ko talaga kinaya, hindi ko na kaya siyang ubusin. And kinuha ko to sa kusina. Ito yung tirang tinapa. Kasi 'di ba, inanisan ko siyang tinik and then linagay ko sa sa fried rice on top. And kumuha ko ng grapes. Masarap siyang iulam, in fairness sa kanya, guys. And ayan, isa na lang hotdog. And yung mga tira-tira na lang hotdog, yun ang kinain ko. And ayan, nanonood pa rin ako ng The General's Daughter. Totoo na to, guys. Magbababay na ako. Bye. Huh? Yes. Okay, say bye-bye. Final bye-bye. Say see you next time.
Next time.
Okay, bye na, guys. Maglinis na tayo dito. Just stay like this. This is not modeling. Hurry up. Just is eating. Okay.
Your colors.
1, 2, 3, go. Huli, like this.
Oh, just do parts.
Fine.
And then swell, boys.